Hello folks, today's theme is stereolithography. What's SLA? Short for stereolithography. It is method of 3D printing, and compared to FDM method, it uses resin as the material for printing. That resin is then exposed to UV lighting, which makes it harden. Here we have the basic idea of how a simple SLA printer functions. As you can see on the screen, I'll go from bottom to top. Firstly, we have a source which emits the UV light to the lens, then to the mirror, and lastly it hits our bed or model if it's in the middle of printing. The platform is fixed on a moving Z-axis rod that is repeatedly sunk into the resin. Let's continue. Here I want to show you other unique types of UV light modulation. There's the standard one. SLA, single laser line, is emitted to specific location onto the vat with the resin in it, and the process continues as I explained before. Then in the middle we have DLP. Unlikely SLA uses a single beam. The DLP uses digital projector and the entire layer is cured at once. And lastly, MSLA relies on LCD screen as a mask for UV light source. The LCD screen displays a black and white mask for each layer. Transparent pixels allow UV light to pass and cure the resin, while black pixels block the light. Now I want to explain some disadvantages and advantages when printing with SLA. Most important one is toxicity. After print, the remaining uncured resin leaves like a layer on our model, which needs to be cleaned off. We can achieve that by cleaning whole model in isopropanol alcohol, and then by curing it again over some UV lights. And for that there exists a machine called cleaning station or wash and cure station, which makes the whole cleaning process easier. Then we have printing time. Of course, curing the resin is done in no time, but other steps like lifting the platform and sinking it again into the vat can, after repeating, consume a lot of time. Nextly, we have strength of the resin. If you are looking for good toughness of your model, I would highly recommend you FDM printer. It offers much stronger variants of filaments to print with. Now, the advantages of SLA printers. They are known for quality of their prints. They tend to print with layer heights ranging from 0.025 mm to around 0.1 mm. Here you can notice big difference. For example, FDM method prints around 0.3 mm, but it can print in higher or lower values too. Smooth surface. Smooth surface. When our model is printing those layers, curing onto themselves, they tend to chemically bond together, and plus we are using a small layer height, which results in almost no visible layers. Well, and lastly we have an accurate dimensions. This process is of curing resin through UV light shows that it can catch even small details on our models in high precision, which is why it's popular in game figures making or jewelry and other fields.